Hey, what is up everyone? Welcome back to our YouTube channel. So for today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use the Zoho Books app. So you can actually access Zoho Books on your web browser just by heading over to books.zoho.com. And to get started, you're going to need to log in to your account. But if you don't have an existing account, you can start by creating a new one. Once you're in, you'll land on the dashboard. Here you'll see a snapshot of your key numbers like total receivables, payables, cash flow, and income versus expenses. It's the quickest way to see how your business is doing today. To create an invoice, tap the big plus icon, then just select invoice. From here, just fill in your customer details, add your items or services, set the due date, and choose payment terms. You can also customize it with your logo or template. Then, once done, just click on Save and Send. And just by that, you can email it directly or share via link. Next, let's log an expense. Just tap the plus icon again, then choose expenses and enter details like amount, vendor, or category. You can even snap a photo of your receipt and attach it right inside the app. When a customer pays, open the invoice just by heading over to sales, then invoices, then just select the specific invoice. Then from here, just click on record payment. And from here, just add in the payment details. You can also manage estimates, bills, projects, and timesheets all from the app. And if you connect your bank account, Zoho Books will automatically import transactions to help with reconciliation. So that's pretty much it. Thank you very much for watching this video. I hope that you find this video helpful. And if you do, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel. And I will see you again on the next one. Bye!